Okay guys, I wanted to show you guys the prawns, the one I was talking about yesterday. I'm so sorry for not talking to you guys today. It was such like a lazy day. Wednesdays are the days where I'm supposed to clean, but I didn't want to because something happened with my mom, and I'll get into that later, but I wanted to show you guys the prawns. These are huge, you guys. Look, let me grab one. We can focus. This is huge than a regular shrimp that you usually get in the bag. And I think this is pre-cooked, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make this. I'm just gonna boil some for my grandma, and then I'm gonna cook up some for me after. And we have a big baby here. Hey guys, I just made it simple tonight. I just boiled it regular, and I made rice, and I made a dipping sauce right here. This is gonna be my flavor, and I have my rice, obviously. What I made the sauce with is this fish sauce. Now, this brand is really good. I really love that brand. That's probably like my third bottle. And then I have the sweet chili sauce right here. This is so good as well. And don't mind Sammy, he's just finished dinner. Oh no. Who the heck is outside? Or be barking for free. But I will show you guys how the prawns look like. I think I just boiled it for like 2 or 3 minutes. Grab some sauce. It tastes really good. I don't know if you guys like to suck on the head. I do. Just depends. I think I might edit this tonight because I've been having problems with the editing software that I'm using. My grandma just finished her dinner as well. You guys, if you guys are like a caregiver or anything, please let me know. I need some tips because doing this caregiving thing is not easy sometimes. I will say it's a struggle. In the past, there has been other people reaching out for if I needed help and stuff, and I think I do. I just don't know how. To reach out. I mean, I do know how. I think because I'm ashamed, I don't know why, but yeah. And I've been doing this since 2020. I think I told you guys it in like a couple vlogs before. But yeah, this caregiving thing is like, it's so hard. And I think it's harder too because like she's my grandma and we're related. And it's something where like I cannot leave like after work or like after my shift or whatever. You just go and you just leave at the door. No, I have to like live with it, live with her. And I know there are different 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 situations I can be in, but I just choose to be in it. She's like so in her own way, but it's very difficult for us to like take care of her sometimes. I'm aware of it, but I'm aware that she's sick and stuff, but sometimes you can't help it, bro. Like, I'm human. I've been having problems uploading, trying to edit my video because I uploaded to iMovie. Or I uploaded to my laptop and it won't take it because there's like too much storage in there, and I'm like so confused. Because I try and clear out almost everything. Like how I did for Vlogmas, I think that was easier for me because I could do day, but if I do weeks, it's gonna be longer. But yeah. I want to get a new laptop. Because the one I have right now is, it's a refurbished one. Sammy is such a crybaby, bro. He's done eating, they're all done eating their dinner. And now I'm trying to have my dinner alone. Because this boy, like, he's spoiled. He's the one that's the most spoiled out of all the other two, out of Cinnamon and Oreo-chi. Samson is the most spoiled because he sleeps in the room with me. I have one more left. I don't know if I should save the head for like a stew or something. Maybe I should. I don't know. But yeah, it's been okay in the new year. Tomorrow is, I think it's the 17th, and that's coming by really quick already. Brothers and sisters, they all have their birthdays in January and February. So they're Aquariuses, if you wanted to know the zodiac sign, all four of them. And I'm the only Virgo out of the siblings. I think I might save this for like a stew or a stock. But thank you guys for being here. I'm so sorry if it was short. If the video was short, I'm still trying to adjust to the editing thing because it's a lot sometimes for me. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. I wanted to try out this because this is my first mukbang or whatever. To sit down and talk to you guys for a bit while I can. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.